Hey guys, this is Steve at Subthump, and I want to show you some of the new products that we've developed for the 2014 and up Silverados. A customer of ours brought in the 2015 Silverado. It's HD crew cab. It's got the Duramax engine in it, and he wanted a new stereo, and we've got some real nice products we want to show you.
So we've been making boxes for the new crew cabs ever since 2014 when they came out. But recently we've developed what we call lift kit boxes, which actually what that does is it lifts the seat a little bit to allow us to get a lot bigger box under the seat. So this particular box is a front fire lift kit box, and this one's got two massive 8s in the front of it, and of course an amp shelf in the center. These are massive audio hippos, so without doing the lift kit we really couldn't fit those. So the lift kit is a third-party piece, and basically it's just a set of brackets that bolt to the floor, and then your seat bolts on top of the brackets, and you can see bolted back in the back and up front. It's very simple and easy to do, and as a benefit of doing the lift kit, you actually can convert your seat to fold down without doing anything else to it. So it makes it really nice to get to your access to your amp. And while we're back here, the Bose amp is on the back wall of the truck, and since the seat's folded down, I've got this liner folded up to kind of expose the amp. And what we've done is we've developed a set of harnesses to plug into the amp to give us not only the signal out, but also to defeat the active noise cancellation that comes with the Bose stereo. So this product here we call 6G BZT. It works on Camaro, it works on Colorado and Canyon, and now it works on Silverado and Sierra. So basically what it does is it plugs into the amp, you pull one of your connectors out of the amp, and it basically just goes in between, and you've got left and right audio signals that you can run for signal wires for your amp. And then the active noise cancellation defeat harness, all it does is basically defeats the microphones, so they're not giving you that terrible cancellation and feedback that you would get when you install that. So once you install the harness, simply install a small processor or line out converter, because you are getting the high level, so you have to knock that down to make it usable for your amp. So what I did is I put an audio control LC2I in, and that lowers the signal and also creates a turn on for the amp. And we put a nice Zapco 1000 watt amp in here to run the subs, and it just makes for a nice clean setup. So we're real pleased, and I think the customer's going to be real happy with this. But I think these are going to be nice products for the Silverado, and be sure and check those out on our website, www.subthump.com.